and then we'll just leave that to cook down. Hi everyone. Right, this is the first. I went food shopping yesterday, and I'm going to make chili or spag bowl. It'll have to be a chili. I've got no kidney beans, but I've got chili powder. I'll leave the spag bowl for another day because I haven't got any rosemary and stuff like that. So I'm going to make a chili. I've got fresh mince from the butcher's yesterday, from the supermarket. Got my onions, peppers, and yeah, I haven't got any rice, so it might have to be a chili with spaghetti, but that's fine. It'll taste amazing. I can promise you that. I'm actually going to use bottled water for two reasons. One, because that cost me, I think, 10 baht. And two, I don't trust the tap water. Even though when you boil water, it's supposed to purify it. For 10 baht, I'm not going to worry about it. Now, proper carrots. Salt. Whoops. It reminds me that I need to get a colander. It's not until you start cooking you realise. while the beef's cooking, I'm just gonna get 2 beef stocks ready. Just got the kettle boiling. I'm gonna chuck that in. Just got a plastic cup. See, again, jug. But it's good because you get to find out what you need and what you haven't got. So luckily I've got these, and then I've got 2 small tins of tomato puree which will go in as well. That's all I've got at the moment, so we're going to have to make do. But yeah, I've got 2 in there because I like that intense beef taste. Maybe we'll just top that up, just for liquid's sake. Okay. Yeah, that's getting nice and browned off. I'll tell you what, because this pan is not an expensive one, I don't want the beef to burn, so I'm going to pour this stock in just to help it along. I've got the tomato puree. I get that in there as well. And then what I'll do, once the beef is pretty much done, I'll just add the onions and peppers. But I just want this to simmer away really. I'm going to put one of those purees in for now and see how we go. So that should cook away nicely. I need a bigger pan. Trial and error. My first home cooked meal in Thailand. I usually cook chili and bolognese with cumin, and also add, I like to put rosemary in, sometimes basil if I'm doing a bolognese, but we're just going to go with this today. Again, there's no chili beans, but hey ho. I'll just wait for that to cook down, but that's about it. I'll show you at the end, of course. But yeah, so next time I need cumin, some rosemary, some more herbs and spices really, a better pepper mill, a better wok. I saw a cast iron one the other day. It was like £30 English money. I thought that's a good investment actually. I might get one of those, and maybe another saucepan, but no, when you got 2 burners, you're quite limited. And I think if I got a bigger wok, there'd be no room for another saucepan, but that's the way it goes. I've had to sort of trial and error it, but yeah, I mean, the knives I'm happy with. They're nice and sharp. So yeah, this is all shopping that I've got this week. So yeah, I just wanted to cook some. I've got my containers ready, so I'm gonna batch them all up. Probably get 6 or 7 meals, maybe 8 meals out of that. So that's it. Eat one, put one in the fridge, and put the rest in the freezer. That's it. So even though it's a chili, I've got carrots in it, only because it just gives me some veg. I usually put it in bolognese as well. My bolognese and chilies are pretty similar recipes because it's all done fresh, and the only difference is chili powder and fresh chilies. So I've got spaghetti with chili, but why not? Yeah, I mean, look, this is me. This is what I would do when I was in London. I'll just go, right, okay, let's do a bolognese or chili, and then as I go, oh, okay, I can't do a bolognese because I haven't got this, so I make a chili out of it. And then, oh, I haven't got any rice. Oh, it don't matter, I'll have spaghetti. It really doesn't matter. It doesn't for me anyway. Make it up as you go along, guys. But yeah, it's just nice to be cooking in my new home. If you haven't seen around the new home, that's on the Darren John channel, and I'll show you around the new condo. I moved in a week ago, and I really like it. It's nice. But anyway, back to the kitchen. Just look at that. Woo! And that's it. I'll just make a load of these up, and then obviously plate myself one for now. That will do. There you go. It's my first homemade meal in Thailand. So a bit of a mix up. Bolognese but with chili. Really good, if I may say so myself. But there you go. I mean, I'll tell you how much as well at the end that cost me to make. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy this. Thanks for watching, guys. Love to Luke, Mia, Mum and Sis. I'll see you on the next one. Right, so beef stock, there was 4 in a pack at 171 baht. I only used 2, so we're going to call that 85 baht. Carrots were 52, 2 green peppers at 106, 2 red peppers at 150, 3 onions at 65, and the minced beef 770. So total 1,228 baht. However, I got 6 meals out of that. So ate one and made 5 batches to eat in the future. So divide that by 6 and you get 204 baht. So I'll put I'll do it now while I'm here. But this is why a lot of expats eat out, because it's cheaper to eat out. So 204 baht is £4.73. That's one meal. I can go to Eat Street at Pattaya Avenue and I can have a meal for between 50 and 70 baht. That's, yes, the portions are smaller than that, but it's still a meal. So that's a dish with rice and even a fried egg in some cases. So that's why people eat out in Thailand a lot. Now, don't get me wrong, I could have gone to the market and got the produce a little bit cheaper. I'll have to do that on another vlog somewhere down the line. But is it going to work out that much cheaper? I don't know. But there you go, guys. My first meal in my Thailand home. A bit of a mix and match with the bolognese and chili, but it's still, my lips are a little bit hot, so I did put extra in. But there you go. Whether it be, let's call it £4 a meal. So let's put it as to the closest pound in your favour. £4. Did you expect it to be cheaper? I did. But there you go. It's healthy food. I've got 5 more meals to have, so I'm not complaining. I'm just showing you guys that what can be done at home in Thailand and the price of it. That's what it cost me in Villa Market. There's the receipt there. So what I got from that was carrots are not bad price wise and onions are not bad. Well, I thought the red peppers were more expensive than the green, and because they were individual, the most expensive red pepper was 78 baht. Now 78 baht is £1.81. So that's kind of, do you want to call it Western food? I guess. Now, what I will do, if I can get a decent recipe and I get all my utensils, I'll do a Thai dish in a future video. So that'll be a lot cheaper. But I don't want to ruin it because I'm not a Thai, I'm not au fait with Thai cooking, but we'll give it a go. But guys, for now, thanks for watching. Love to Luke, Mia, Mum and Sis. Thanks ever so much, and I hope to see you on the next one.